Okay, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a JUFabworks workboss. With a real dull knife. Got a bunch of good tape on here, packaged well. And this is it. A couple of bolts. Looks like instructions. It's green. 2 tow hooks. I like the way this is done. It's just a U shape and not a square. It's supposed to take out a little bit of slack. And I got it for the 2025R John Deere. And let's see what else is in here. Little brochure. More stuff, green and orange. Business card. Instructions. And the 4 bolts. Alrighty. It also has a embossed JUFabworks logo on there. I like that. It's on there, but it's not out front and center. And also I'd like to add it is made in the USA. Which is something that I do like. I try to buy when I can. And also, I sell these made in the USA bandanas, handkerchiefs. And they have the John Deere green and yellow colors too. You can get these at MrBandana.com. Thank you very much.